St. Louis is expanding its tornado relief to include a focus on prioritizing health concerns.
The doctor who helped navigate the region during the COVID pandemic is leading the charge. 5 News Side's Brent Solomon shows us how volunteers are also providing care in the storm zone.
The roof was out. This was all blown out.
Seeing the devastation outside her front door, local nurse Amber Villarreal felt compelled to serve.
There are people who are coming and telling me that there's black mold in their home now. So one of the things that we're giving to people is big buckets of bleach and sponges to be able to clean up that.
She's volunteering as groups like For the Ville, Invest STL, and Dream Builders for Equity all mobilize to help their fellow neighbors.
Staying hydrated to prevent dehydration, but also wearing masks in these environments. A lot of buildings have come down that were prior asbestos.
It's environmental issues, health and safety issues.
This as the city of St. Louis is now partnering with Dr. Alexander Garza, who helped lead the region's pandemic response.
Hey, if you're out, working on clearing debris and get some cuts, scrapes, bumps and bruises, that you don't have to go to the emergency department, that we can take care of that with emergency medical services.
He's working to identify those in storm-damaged areas who have chronic conditions to ensure access to care.
So if you're talking about people with diabetes, heart condition, asthma, emphysema, things like that, where they can get their medications refilled, where they can be seen by a primary care provider, things like that, so that their condition isn't exacerbated, especially as the heat is ramping up, and if people don't have adequate shelter, then it's going to exacerbate some of their conditions as well.
Coordinated efforts gaining momentum as St. Louis looks to get through. Brent Solomon, 5 on your side.
Those community groups have created an emergency hub at Whittier and MLK. Volunteers can stop by this week between 9 and 5. They have served 3,000 families with cleaning and hygiene supplies, food, water, and construction materials.